Ah, okay. I don't know where is that. I never been come to LA, baby. LA, LA. I wish I can come there. How I wish I can come. You guys come here. You guys come to the Philippines and next biggest town in Norway. Ah, okay. Have you been here in the Philippines? Guys, I don't want to dance in the pool now because it's so slippery and I don't have grip pace. And I don't want to do it to dance in the pool without grip pace because it's so scary. I don't want to drop. Will you show me a good time there? Yes, of course. I can be your tour guide. Everyone, good evening. How long you pole dance? Since 2021. 4 years. 4 years. But I'm not that good. Mm-mm-mm. That will be fun. Yes, I love street food. Okay. What 7546? You like street food? There's a lot of street food here in the Philippines. I don't think you can handle street food. But some of the foreigner didn't like street food here in the Philippines because some of them they can handle their stomachs because I don't know. Follow me back. Yeah, sure. Guys, follow me. Guys, everyone follow me and support me. Everyone will please support and follow me, guys. It's so hot. I did in Mexico. Oh, really? How was it? Do you like it? Do you like the street food? Ngit, welcome back, Ngit. How are you today? Try no biting. No biting ba? Stop! It was good. That's good. You want something? Come on. You wanna eat? I wanna feed my cat muna. Where's the ano, Troy? Yum yum! Yum yum! Come here. Come, mommy. Come here, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.